Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're gonna chat about customizing YouTube channel settings. And first up, we need to create a YouTube channel.
Let's get started. So I named my channel Sarkib Tech. Just remember,
When you create your content, you got to give it a name that reflects that. And a handle.
this is showing your channel. If someone searches Sarkib Tech,
Then it'll show your handle name as like my channel handle Sarkib Tech 7.
so now it's finally our channel is created.
Before we are going to the next step, subscribe our channel and don't forget to like or share.
So now let's get started to settings our channel. Click on YouTube Studio.
And now click on settings. First up to click on General. And search your country, as I'm from Pakistan, so I set my residence Pakistan. Now, it is a must to add some keywords that help your channel to grow. Finish up advanced and future settings.
In future settings, they require to verify your phone number. Click on Verify and add your phone number, and your phone number will be verified.
Just like this. After verifying your phone number, set default settings and adding a title or description. You can also copy the description from ChatGPT and add your channel.
And now select visibility to set on unlisted. That's why, because now everyone can watch your videos. Next most important setting to add tags that shows in your every single video. So add some of the best tags related to your content. Future settings chose a category and caption certification. And the last setting. Let's finish it up in this setting. Add your video language and title description language. And don't forget to save settings.
Now, the last YouTube customization settings. Let's set up. Before we are going to set the last settings, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
There we go. The last most important. Customize YouTube channel settings.
Upload a video watermark that will show in your every video. You can upload any watermark from related to your content, as I upload a YouTube logo. And the second step to add your email address. This is important for your channel. Now, add social media links that you want to show in your YouTube channel, like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok.
These links help your audience to reach out to you, and also through these links, your other social media sites will increase audience. Now the description. Add specific description related to your content, and you can also tell the audience about your content.
And the last important settings, to upload a banner image and your channel logo. You can also create logos from Canva for free. After this, finally, our YouTube channel settings are all finished.
And click on the publish.
Your channel will be published. It takes a few minutes to publish, so be patient at that time.
This is the final look after customizing our YouTube channel settings. It's just looking like an almost growing channel. See you in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video.